Alright, so this is the first tutorial, first practical. We're going to create a hi app, and we're going to start Spider. Alright, Python, Spider is done. Spider is now open. You can see everything is basic. If you don't have any Python Spider introduction, don't get scared. It's nothing scary. I'll just click this tab to go into my file explorer, and I will navigate to where I have my exercise files, which will be made available to you. Navigate to it's over here, desktop, exercise files. Good. Now here I'll go to the old one and I'll create a new. I'll just right click and select file, and I'll create a new file. I will call it init.py. So yes, we're gonna save it like that, and now it comes completely blank. And now for this very first practical tutorial, I'm not gonna explain anything. We're just gonna have a very simple app. So let's start coding, and I hope you get it. We create a new file and it's open right here. We could have done the same thing over here, and then it will ask us to do a control save, and I'll be over here. So here we are. Let's start off. So we start off by importing PyQt. Let's say from PyQt5.qt Gui import Gui application, and then import kernel from PyQt5.qt kernel. Import kernel application engine, which is basically what we're gonna do. Before that, now I will import systems. Now it's also should I say the norm, or should I say pragmatic, to import the Python libraries first, the standard library, before you import third party sources. Before you import your own, we're going to import our own, which is normally would have been our file where we have our objects and where we have our classes, I should say. So we call our classes. I'll create a new one, and I will call it. I will call it hi. This is I just call it hi. It will just be our model. Hi model, and I create a class in it. I'll first import PyQt core over here, PyQt5.qt core. Basically, you don't understand all the way doing, but if you have you don't have a PyQt background, you don't have to worry. You will explain everything. This is the first one. I just need PyQt signal, PyQt slot. You can see how this changed from PyQt. Then we'll just go on and say class, and I'll call this class say hi, and I'll pass it to a Qt object, and I'll define the unit. If you have Python background, you understand what this is. Basically, we'll create a class, and we are overriding the initiator function. Alright, so yes, key object. I just use the key object. Again, you have Python background, you understand this. If you don't, you won't have to worry much about it. So that's all they are doing it. So that I'll just import PyQt core, so that we have our own model, and then we import that one last form. So from hi, import all or say hi. If you have more in there, more than one classes, I'll just do import, or maybe I'll just name of them. And sometimes you might want to have more objects, so if you have more objects, you just keep on adding them to it. So this guy will be like the main one that will be speaking to the UI. Of course, all of them will be speaking to the UI, but this one will be the one that will start the GUI for us, or the UI for us, I should say. So I'll just start by initiating everything. GUI application engine, and I'll pass in the system argument values, and then I'll create an instance of this. So say hi. We won't use it now. but I will just create an instance of it, but we will use it in this tutorial, at least in this. And then we go into the QML very soon. I'll say engine, go to QML application engine, and then I'll say engine. This is when we pass the objects to it. We can pass any number to it. Root context dot root context is a function dot set context property, and you shouldn't be confused. I won't explain much here. I will say hi object, and I'll pass in this guy to say hi, and I won't explain much. And I say engine dot load, and here's where we load the UI. Normally one I would call it main QML, and over here I'll create that main QML. And you know that this one is, we're gonna script it in QML. QML is beautiful. It's more like it's the Zama for Qt, which is beautiful. It will soon become the Zama for Python because it's just too beautiful. It's the most powerful. Now that we've loaded the engine, it has started. When someone clicks it over there, and we'll be using the UI. So when someone clicks it over there, we also connect it to the app.quick, and that the app thread will be running. And now that it has clicked, we just exit everything, and then we pass in the status, the exit status, whether it existed successfully. And now these guys are done. It's calling the main.qml, but there's nothing in the main.qml. Now that we've created main.qml in the exercise file, if we go over to the exercise file, which can be will be made available to you, if you go over to the exercise file to O1, it should be in it because it was in the O1 that we've created just about everything. So yes, here we go. There's highlights in it. The high is just our, this is the initializer. The high is just our object. Will we use it maybe, or create a new one? Now let's go to main.qml where our UI is. Now basically there's nothing in there. Import Qt quick, and if you install PyQt 5.10, you have Qt quick 2.10, which is the latest one. And then Qt controls, this is the one that we're interested in, why we went all the way to get the 5.10. And the latest one is Qt controls 2.3. It's just that it's easier to get, or it looks like the modern version of I'm using Windows, so it looks like the modern version of Windows. So I just imported. I'm going to import application engine. You don't understand it, application window, I mean. You don't understand it, that keep calm. I just make it visible. I won't explain anything too much. 724 with 480 for height, because you just put an image in there. And an image, yes, you don't understand anything for now. 720. Now this isn't really best practice. Like this, but for responsive design this is the best practice, but I'll do it anyway. And source, you can see in our source files, if I have it open, we are currently in the O1 where we are scripting the UI. But if you go back, you can see we have an image where there are a lot of images where we're just going to call from. So we're going to have to go back out of the O1. So we go back like this, and then there's a folder for images, and in there we're looking for this one, the clock.jpg, and we have the image. I also put in a test, nothing to be scared of. The test doesn't, you don't really need everything high for it. Normally you go a little ways to, normally test is in something, and so the test is just hi, it just says hi, and then the font, the pixel size, this is how you change the size, and the color is going to be white because the default is black. I don't want to explain it. And then here we go, we gotta change the font of family. The size files that come with fonts, you can look inside, and just as you change, we source to the image, you can source the fonts and then put in the font you want, Roboto. But we're just gonna use font that's recommended for apps. It's called Segway UI. I don't know if you have it for Mac. If you don't have it, go into the fonts folder. You can just do dot to back out and go to the fonts folder and then call the fonts. Just put the font's name. We will use the fonts, so you don't have to worry. Just put the font's name, Roboto regular or Roboto anything. Roboto is beautiful. For now, we will use Segway UI. And the last thing you do is you do an anchors to center in. You don't understand, but anchors to center in the parent, and that will be all for this beautiful app. So yes, let's go on. So now our UI is scripted. Got UI scripted. All these things are in place. We're importing this. It's doing nothing. It's coming in as an object. We send it to this guy. It's doing nothing with it. So let's run it right here in Python. Now that's beautiful. This is your app. This is how your application works. It's a Python app, but then you run and it runs your UI. Now you can see. Yeah, I should have done engine.quick.connect instead of engine.quick. And yes, we have our first error. Very bad of me to give you but it's good practice to see the error. Now I have to close this guy. Alright, we're back. Alright, so we're back. I didn't have a crate, so I made an error. I made a typo here. So yeah, I'm gonna run it again, and now our app is fully up. Yes, you don't see much. We put an image. We put this clock image in the background. It's basically in the exercise files. We just refer to an image here called clock, and then we put hi on it. So it's our very first hi app. We didn't set just about anything. We didn't set the title. So yes. So see you. This is our very first app. Now it doesn't understand responsive, but I like it like that. At least it's good for a first app. It doesn't know what responsive is. You can see this guy is just centered in because we have a center in here, but this guy doesn't understand responsive. So yes. But it's okay, it's okay. I like it like that. So see you in the next tutorial. Bye.